Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package unboxing for you. It's a little late because I got this package midweek last week, I want to say, but I didn't post this until obviously today. But let's go ahead and get to it. I'm just gonna pull my invoice out. I always reference my invoice out to the side so that you guys know exactly what I ordered, just in case you love something. So let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, so here is the first item that I bought, which I think is so cute. This is a cover for my Erin Condren. Let's go ahead and check it out. It's very summery. I don't know what's been up with me lately with like the gold specks and stuff. I'm usually not a gold type of girl, but lately I've been giving into it. But I really love Dominique's covers because they're really thick. Very thickly laminated, and they also have these little whiteboards in the inside. The hole punches are always perfect too, so it's really cute. And you can get this personalized or not. Sometimes I just choose not to get things personalized. I have so much stuff that has my name all over it, you know, you kind of just get tired of it. So I just thought I'd go the simple route and get this beautiful cover without my name, and it just says "Killing It." I think it's so cute, and it's so summery, even though the weather in Illinois is not reflecting that at all. And this purse just says Givenchy. So really, really pretty. I love those flowers. And again, you can hear how thick that lamination is. Very, very nice. So again, this one is called the Killing It. And this is a brown skin Erin Condren cover. You can get it either Happy Planner, and she also has a lighter skin tone. Like I said, you can get your name on there. So there's that. Now let's jump into my stickers. Her packaging has changed a little bit. Really cute journaling card on the front. There is a coupon code, but as you guys know, I always give you guys a 20% coupon code, which is Olivia. 20% off, $15 or more. I always leave that down below. Let's go ahead and go through my goodies. This is going to be kind of a smaller haul, but here is the little card on the front. Very pretty, very cute, and that's the little personalized Dominique there. All right, and here is the freebie for my order. Very cute. This reminds me of my sister. I'll probably give that to my sister. Just a cute little summer dress on, but there's that freebie. As you guys know, I get matte everything, okay? So I got a few die cuts, a few sticker sheets. Oh, did I get 2 of these? Wait a minute. Coffee Queen. I didn't get 2 of those. So she must have just, yeah, I didn't get 2 of those. But I have 2 now. So these are cute though. So these little dolls just say Coffee Queen, and these also come in different skin tones. So cute. Here, let me just raise it up closer so you guys can see. See how cute? She has a little Starbucks cup. Very cute. So I got 2 sheets of those. Thank you, Dominique. Then I also got the die cut set. I'm not too into die cuts. I'm not into die cuts as much as I used to be, but I thought that these were really cute and they would match my stickers really well. So there are the Coffee Queen die cuts. As always, I love Dominique's cardstock. Then I got these beautiful pictures or stickers. I'm sorry, you probably already said the name, but can anyone guess who this is? It is Aaliyah. My sister is obsessed with Aaliyah. My husband is also unhealthy. He has an unhealthy obsession with her as well. She was so pretty though. And so I thought these were so cute. I love Cardi B. You know, Cardi B is my jam. But I thought these Aaliyah stickers were really cute. I'll find somewhere to put her. All right, so then I got 2 sticker kits. You know, y'all know I love me some sticker kits. So let's go through this one first, which is called Planner Life. I love the like rose and kind of quartz color in this. And as usual, premium matte sticker paper for all of my kits. So we'll go ahead and go through this kit together. We have the decorative and functional sheet with the weekend banner in an extra full box, as usual. I love how these smell. We have the full boxes and the little page flags. And this full box here says, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." I love this. I love the decorations and like the hints of rose gold on the backpacks and stuff. It's very, very cute. And we have the heart checklist, which I love. Ooh, I really love that, the border. The stitched appointment labels. You guys know I love to use those for fillers in my days. We have our headers and our half boxes. We have our glitter headers and our little things with our asterisks. I love that pattern. It's like a confetti star pattern. I don't know. Very cute. And then we have, ooh, that bottom washi with all that washi and all that planner stuff in there. Look at how pretty. Yes, so nice. And then the date covers, and we have a weekly box. So there is Planner Life. This is upside down. All right, let's get this. I love that. It kind of reminds me of jean, like denim too. I don't know, something about it. All right, and then my last kit, the last item, is the Hello Spring kit, which actually matches the cover that I just showed you guys. So let's go ahead and go through this kit. Get that off to the side. I really need to clean my office. My little desk is terrible. All right, so let's go ahead and go through Hello Spring. Ooh, I love that this full box has that white background. We have the cute, summery, springish deco, the icons and functional items, weekend banner. Ooh, our full boxes. Ooh, I love that, which look familiar. This matches that full box. It's a long box. And we have the pretty perfume. I really love this. I really love these full boxes. Very, very pretty. We have our glitter headers, our little things with our asterisks, our bottom washi, and our weekly box with our, why am I zoning out right now? My date covers. We have our ombre heart checklists, our stitch labels, and then we have our headers and our half boxes. So I like this one. I'm not going to use this one for a minute though because it's not spring. I think I'll use the Planner Life one next. So there are all the items for my most recent sticker or PR package. Let's just get them all in frame. They're so freaking cute. I love these little coffee girls. And then she has slippers on too. I just noticed that. She has little slippers. Can you see that? So there is my PR package for what was this month for? For April? No, for March. So you guys can tell. I ordered pretty late in March, so it was my fault that I got it. I didn't get it until April. But anyways, if you guys enjoy this, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And also, if you guys are looking for reviews on anything planner related especially, I know that I've really only been working out of my Erin Condren and then obviously personally my Louis Vuitton, which I have not showed you guys yet. If you guys have anything that you want to be reviewed, any new sticker shops that you'd like me to try out, please leave some suggestions down below. I'd love to try some new shops. I've just been really hesitant because I don't know really what I need aside from all the stuff that I get from Golden Plans Co. But I do really want to get back into trying more shops, having some more hauls and things like that. So yeah, leave your suggestions down below. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.